The time period t of a simple pendulum of length L is given by the equation t equal to twice pi square root of L by g, where g is a constant called acceleration due to gravity, L is the length of the pendulum, and twice pi is also a constant. Find the approximate error in the measurement of the time period t for an error of 4% in the value of L. So there is a 4% error in the value of the length is given, and we have to find out the approximate error in the measurement of the time period. Approximate value of a function can be found out from the first derivative, that is the first principle of derivative, that is f dash x is equal to limit fx plus delta x minus fx divided by delta x approaches to 0, and this is your increment in x. So if you solve this equation, then the approximate value fx plus delta x will be equal to fx plus f dash x delta x. So this will be the formula for the approximate value of a function. But here we have to find out the approximate error. In the approximate value, this is the value of the function, and this is the approximate error of the measurement. And here we have to find out, in this problem we have to find out the approximate error, that is f dash x delta x. The given equation is t square is equal to 4 pi square divided by L by g. If you square both the sides, then you will find t square is equal to 4 pi square L by g, and if you take the logarithm on both the sides, this will be 2 log t, because log m to the power n is equal to n log m. From this equation of logarithm, you will find the logarithm of t square is equal to 2 log t, and logarithm of this will be equal to logarithm of 4 pi square plus logarithm of L minus logarithm of g, because this is a product, log of m into n. So this will be log 4 pi square plus log L by g, and this is a division. So log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. So use this formula and find out this result. And if you differentiate both the sides, then this side will be equal to 2 into logarithm of a derivative of logarithm function is equal to 1 by t dt, and for this the derivative will be equal to 0, for this the derivative will be equal to 0, and derivative of log L will be equal to 1 by L dl. So dt by t will be equal to, if you take to this side, 1 by 2 dl by L. But it is given that the error of the value of L is 4%. So dl by L is equal to given 4%, and we have to find out the error in the time period, that is dt by t. You see here the error, to find out the approximate error, you have to find out the derivative of the function multiplied by dx or delta x. So here also the derivative of the function multiplied by delta x. The derivative I have found out 1 by t multiplied by dt. So this will give you the approximate error of the time period, which is equal to 2%. So in this way you can calculate the approximate error in a given function. Thank you.